Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel 900. In this video, we'll do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. We'll try to see how Nifty and Bank Nifty move today, and also we'll try to see the important levels for the tomorrow's trading session. Now let's see the analysis of Bank Nifty. Here I am using Bank Nifty 15-minute chart. Today Bank Nifty opened with a gap up, and from here it has tested twice the same level. It has made a high of 45,900, and from there it has given a straight fall of more than 500 points. So what does this mean? This is as per our daily chart. I will zoom out the chart so that you can clearly understand. As per our daily chart and hourly chart, our trend is upside. So which means our trend is buy and dips this side. Now what is this? For this impulsive move, this is the correction. That is, this is the profit booking for this impulsive move. We can long Bank Nifty only above 45,580, and the short position for Bank Nifty will be 45,286. So if Bank Nifty opens flat in between this area, between 45,286 to 45,586, and spend some time here, and after that if it gives breakout on the upside, then we will plan a long position from this level, that is above 45,600. We'll go for long, and our targets will be, the first target will be 45,800 and the second target will be 45,900. If Bank Nifty opens flat in between this range and spend some time like this, and if it gives a breakout on the downside, that is below 45,280, then our first target will be 45,180 and the second target will be 45,044. Please note that below this level, that is, we are trading against the trend. So if you are shorting Bank Nifty, then we have to trade with only 1/4 quantity. That is, if you normally trade with 4 lots, then you have to trade with only 1 lot. Levels will only work if Bank Nifty opens in between this range. Please note that these levels will only work if Bank Nifty opens in between this range. If Bank Nifty for any reason opens gap up or gap down, then we'll have to wait for the fresh data in the morning session for the first half an hour. So I will update you in the live market in our Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel freely using the link below in the description box. Now let's see the analysis of Nifty. Here I am using Nifty 15-minute chart. Nifty also opened with a gap up and tested this level twice, and from there it has given a straight fall. So what are the important levels for the tomorrow's trading session for Nifty? This area 19,690 to 19,770 is the important area. That is, if Nifty opens flat in between this area and spends some time here and gives a breakout on the upside, then our first target will be 19,800 and the second target will be 19,820. If Nifty breaks this level on the downside, that is below 19,690, then our targets will be, the first target will be 19,660 and the second target will be 19,620. If for any reason Nifty opens with a gap up or gap down, these levels will not work, and we have to wait for the fresh data, and for that you please join our Telegram channel for the free live updates. The link is in the description below. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind. If you have any questions in this analysis, please ask your questions in the comment section. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.